Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix connection failed error on FiveM. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search, go to settings. Then on settings you need to go to a time and language. Then you need to go to date and time, and then turn off this. Then turn on again, and then press sync now. Press sync now. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. And then what you need to do here is to try FiveM and look if the problem persists or not. If this do not work, then go to settings and look for if you're not connected to any sort of VPN. Look for VPN and then look if you're not connected. If you're connected, just disable it, right? Another thing that you need to do here is to go and write view network connections, find your internet connection, go to properties, installed file properties, then look for Internet Protocol version 6, disable it, then Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, on alternate 8.8.4.4, apply the changes. Then you need to open up CMD, make sure to run as admin, then you need to write here IP config /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset here, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing, and then the game should work.